This is a glass lift in the middle of Frederiksberg commune, in the middle of this park area in Frederiksberg, Denmark. This is a roped hydraulic glass lift, and it has 3 sets of doors. It has 2 side opening doors and a center opening door. Down to -3. It smells like vape in here. I bet those teens that were just in here were vaping. Ugh. Sounds like they're playing music in this car park just like our car park. So it looks like the parking floor is open on this door, T1 opens that door, then T2 opens that door. Yeah, those guys over there. Go to T2, there you go. We'll go a few steps back down to T1. Sorry about the annoying music out there. Oh, this modernized is a Schindler. I didn't even know Schindler did rope hydros. It was installed in 2004 and it was modded at some point in time. There's the cab, it's a glass doors cab. I didn't know you could do a roped hydro with a side door either. So I can only do front and rear. Of course, that's gonna be it, but I guess we're in Europe. It's different here.